Hey family, hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to share with you a quick and easy pound cake recipe. It's hubby's birthday, and for the last 3 months, it's a milestone birthday for him. For the last 3 months, at least once a week, I say, what do you want to do for your birthday? What do you want to eat for your birthday? He says nothing, 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 nothing. And then, so last night we decided on what I was going to make for dinner, you know, because they're going to spoil him at work. So by the time he gets home, he's not going to really want much. So we're going to, you know, make a nice big salad with all of his favorite toppings and stuff like that. So what happens first thing this morning? Not first thing, almost noon, he calls and says, I want a pound cake. I'm like, does anyone else married to that guy? You know, it's like for months. So this is what happened when I was a caterer. You know, you talk to your client and then all of a sudden they go, oh, I remember that pound cake. Will you make a pound cake? Will you make some cookies? You know, after everything else has been settled. So this is a staple. This is how you can get a beautiful, delicious pound cake together. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4 pound cake. And so you just have 1 pound of butter, which is 2 sticks, and you have it soften. I soften it. 2 cups of white sugar, 2 cups right there. 3 cups of flour. I like to keep my flour very fluffy, so I whisk it and I sift it. And I use unbleached flour, okay? Unbleached flour, and 4 large eggs. Okay, that's the base recipe. That's the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pound of butter, 1 pound of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 4 large eggs. And then we're gonna need 3/4 cups of milk. And these are things to always keep in my pantry. I always keep some carnation milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pure vanilla, and then 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. Very easy, okay? So what I'm gonna do, and I'm using my stand mixer just to soften and cream the butter. After that, I'll pretty much do everything by hand. So it's been softening, but when you use this stand mixer, you know, it breaks it down really fast. So yeah, I thought I was kind of lounging around today, and then, you know, that happens. I was lounging around today, I was planning out so I can do this chore at this time, and then this oven's going to have to be on. Oh, then preheat the oven to 325. Okay. Okay, so I like to get my butter softened. Pour the sugar in there, 2 cups. And that's called creaming the butter. I'm gonna cream it, let it get really pale and fluffy. gonna go on and crack the eggs. Four eggs. Let those warm up a little more. So if you always have a well-stocked pantry, I have an entire shelf. It's not a big shelf, but just all of my baking basics. Baking essentials. Okay, so now I'm going to add all my dry ingredients together. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 2, half teaspoon of salt, and I mix all of my dry ingredients together. Make sure it's well incorporated. And you fluffing the flour. Most pound cakes are dense, but this doesn't have to be a dense one. And then I like to add my liquid ingredients. Teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of lemon. Smells amazing. And this is what you want your butter to look like. You've creamed the butter. It's gotten light and fluffy. Then I got a lot of it on the beater. Okay, so that's what we want. Doubled in size. Let me show you. Go on and scrape it down. That's everything. So now we're down to flour, eggs, and milk. So just put a little bit of the flour in here. A little of the milk. Maybe like a third and a third and a third. And then a little bit of the eggs. Okay, and let it incorporate. Just scrape down the bowl. Let's see. Let me turn this toward you guys. I'm just so used to working. This is what it looks like right now. Ooh, my videography skills are something else, but it's what this is called working with what you got. Okay guys, I'm going to use this Bundt Pan, and I lightly sprayed it. All I have is some vegetable oil. I don't know what happened to my baker's joy. I always just only use it when I'm baking, and next thing I know it's gone. And then I'll put a little flour in here and shake it all around. Okay, and the batter is done, and I've scraped it. Spoon it in. Just make sure that it's balanced. And this is the perfect size Bundt pan because the cake is going to rise a couple of inches. Then I'm gonna make a lemon glaze. So we have fresh lemons. You need a really good spatula if you're gonna bake. I've had these for years. I got them from Sam's Club. Cause I made a bunch of, I would have businesses that would hire me to cater their events. So I always did, you know, a lot of homemade cookies, cakes, quiches. My first company was called Cakes and Quiches. I did brunches. So I do fresh quiche and coffee cake and pound cakes, and it's very lucrative business. Scrape everything out. I got everything. It's pretty even. Okay. Oh, then did I tell you guys to have the oven preheating 325 right now, and on the center rack. It's going in the oven. Okay, family, I just took the pound cake, the lemon pound cake, out of the oven. I baked it at 325 degrees for an hour. When it gets this beautiful color, I pull it out, and you can, you know, touch it. And I like it when you see that split, you see that CO2 has escaped, and then you also poke it. And if it comes out clean, it's done. All right, so it's gonna cool. I'm gonna let it cool for about 15 minutes. Then I'll flip it out of the pan, and then I'll let it cool for an hour or so, and then we'll put the glaze on it. Okay, family, here's the finished pound cake, and I let it cool for about an hour outside of the pan, and then I put it back in the pan and put the glaze on there, because it's going to be a while before it's going to be served. So to maintain moisture, I put it back in there, and now I'll wrap it up, and it'll be ready for our gathering later on. So that's how you can easily and quickly pull together a nice, beautiful, delicious, beautiful pound cake. Okay, this is a lemon pound cake. It's the 1, 2, 3 recipe. 1 cup, I said pound earlier, 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, and 4 large eggs. And then you add your baking powder, your vanilla, and your lemon extracts, and a little salt, and a cup of milk, and blend it all together. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got hope you can put this in your repertoire. It works every time. Okay, all right guys, and if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.